We got the s'mores cheesecake. I'm a big fan of s'mores. Let's see if the s'mores cake is any good.
So I'd say it's 100%.
What you say? 100% halal, man. Hey, listen, I only halal, and for those halal comments incoming, listen, I only post halal content. To establish that, please stop messaging me about that, because I only eat that. Bismillah.
Bismillah.
If you like s'mores, you're definitely gonna love this cheesecake. Marshmallow is really good, perfectly torched, really good cheesecake. It's just, I love the bottom of the cheesecake is really good. It's a really creamy texture. Valid cheesecake, I like it.